Hello, and welcome to Lesson 3 of Navigating Through Education Galaxy, Creating a Class. In this lesson, you will be guided through a step-by-step process to create your class and add students. Once logged into your device and you're connected to the internet, open your web browser and go to educationgalaxy.com. Log into your account and highlight Student Center. From there, you will click on Create a Class. And here's where the fun begins. Start by selecting your grade level. Give your class a name. And notice that the box on the left is populated with student names. Now, if you're doing this as a grade level and all of your team has entered their students to the database, then all of the third grade students will be listed. In this case, I'm the only teacher doing it, therefore, only my students are there. So, to continue adding students to your class, you will highlight the first name that you see. Choose the first arrow in between the two boxes and click. And there you have it. You have one student in your class at the moment. If you want to add all students at the same time, you will highlight the top name. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last name you choose to add to your class. Again, click on the arrow in between the two squares, and you'll notice that there are no more students on the left. However, the right side of your screen is populated. Click on Create Class. And there you have the class you have created. In our case, it's Demo Class B. This is it. You have completed Lesson 3 and created your class and added students. Congratulations. Stay tuned for Lesson 4, where we will assign content to each student. Thank you and see you soon.